Welcome to the shop, everyone. Wanted to do a quick review this morning of the Titebond PVC trim. This is incredible stuff, and I figured I'd combine this with a bit of story time. So I was using this yesterday, and I was gluing blocks of wood together to pack out some drawer slides so I could shim everything. And if you're a goober like me and you insist on putting screws in your mouth, you run into certain problems. So apparently I still had some of this on my fingers that wasn't dry yet, and I went to grab some screws from my mouth, and I super glued my tongue and part of my mustache to my face. Needless to say, this is some really strong stuff. My hair trimmer didn't cut through it. I had to cut it out with some scissors. But this stuff holds really well on wood, on hair, on your upper lip, on PVC trim, you know, but great stuff right here. Just be careful where you use it.